Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog if you guys are new to the channel or stopping in for the first time. My name is Ryan, I will be your host today, but we are going to check out a cheap but good eats. We are here at the 50s Diner. This is called the Omelet House here in Vegas, so if you're curious on where this is off of Desert Inn and McLeod. So definitely come down here and check it out. They've got really good cheap eats, but they're only open till 3 p.m. So make sure you get here early in the morning and we'll take you in, we'll get a bite to eat and see how it is. Alright guys, so the food just got here. I did the meat lover's omelet here, wheat toast and hash browns, and then my wife did the French toast, eggs and sausage. You're fine. And that's what that looks like. So everything looks absolutely delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try and we'll see how everything tastes. Give this omelet a try here. That's really good. Ham, bacon, and sausage and cheese. It's absolutely delicious. Try some of the hash browns. Absolutely perfect. How's your stuff?
It's good.
Really good?
Eggs are delicious, which I don't like that many eggs.
Eggs are really good. This omelet is really good. Yeah, I definitely stop here for breakfast every morning for sure. It's really good. Prices are really good too, so if you guys are in town, make sure you check out this 50 Diner. It's a really good bite to eat, and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this, and I'll pick up with you guys here in a bit. Alright guys, so we're back here at the Waffle House, or excuse me, the Omelet House, and it was absolutely delicious. I would highly recommend doing this place, so if you're ever in Vegas, be sure to stop by here. Really good, cheap, but good eats here in Vegas. My name is Ryan guys, I will catch you guys in the next food video, but until next time.